Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the AC receiver dryer on Opel Tigra 1.4 petrol. The AC receiver dryer on this car is located on the front of the AC condenser. It's located right there. To get access to the receiver dryer, first we need to remove the front bumper. The front bumper is held on both sides by a couple of bolts. There are some bolts here and maybe on the large liner, on the engine under tray as well, and on the other side. In my case, I'm not going to show you how to remove the bumper, but it's very straightforward. Now I've already removed the bumper and now I have access to the receiver dryer. These are the two bolts holding it. Now I'm going to remove those two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. The dryer is also held by those AC lines which I need to disconnect. They're held by one bolt, but before removing the AC lines, make sure you remove all the freon from the AC system. First I'm going to remove that horn, so because it's in my way a little bit, of removing the bolt for the AC lines that connect to the receiver dryer. Here is the bolt holding the receiver dryer. That's the bolt right there. We need to remove that bolt and then we can take out the dryer. Before putting on the new receiver dryer, make sure you put new O-rings on the AC lines, lubricate the O-rings and then put on the receiver dryer. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.